Hi, welcome back to my channel. So this is the Dagger tutorial part 3. If you have not yet seen part 1 and part 2, please visit and watch those videos. And just a recap for the previous videos. We have created a car class, engine class and wheels class, and we have made all those constructors as inject annotation so that Dagger knows how to create those objects. And we have created a car component, and inside that we have made a get car method in an interface of car component, and Dagger automatically creates an implementation of get car and returns an object of car. And finally we will call car.start method and we will get a output as driving. So in this video we will see one more way of creating car object. So in this case we can see there is a car variable. Suppose if there are more than one variables, we need to create a method for every variable. Like instead of car there is one more type of class. So for that we need to make one more method to get that object. So instead of that we can avoid the get car method and create one more method which will create a car object. Let's remove this object and let's make this variable as inject. So previously we have seen inject to the constructor. So this is the constructor injection, and in this case we are making inject as variable. So this is variable injection. So now let's execute and try what happens, whether the car object creates or not. Running the program, and as you can see there is a null pointer exception. So null object reference. So even though we marked car as inject annotation, the car object is not created. We need to create one method here, public inject, and argument as main activity. Let's build it. And here we will just pass main activity to that inject method, and this is a reference to this object of main activity. So let's execute and see the output now. It's running very slowly. Now you can see again driving is printed. So now the car object is created without using get car method. So what is the meaning of this? Means we are passing main activity. So Dagger will check in this activity all variables with inject annotation Dragger will see all variables in this activity and all variables with inject annotation, and it will create object for that. So instead of creating object for class, car has a constructor with inject annotation. So Dagger knows how to create a car. So this is the one more way of creating a car object. Suppose there is one more variable of car with car1. Let's print car1 dot start. Let's run again. Now we need to get driving 2 times because we have created 2 objects of car with using inject annotation. So as you can see, we have got driving. So the main concept of this is, in this main activity, what all variables which is having inject annotation will be created automatically by Dagger, because Dagger knows how to create a car with constructor which is having inject annotation. Suppose if you remove this annotation, it won't create object for car1. Let's remove inject and try. It's running slowly. As you can see, again we got the error as null object reference because we have not created object for car1, so it will give null pointer exception. So change back. So we have passed main activity as this. Suppose if you want to create variables in other activity, we have to pass that activity. So this is the main purpose of inject. Let's go to Dagger component. So whenever we change a car component methods, the implementation will be created automatically in Dagger component. Here as you can see, main activity members injector inject car instant get car. Let's run it again and see the Dagger car component implementation. So here automatically the inject main activity method is created, which is having 2 lines of same get car, because we are initializing 2. So you can slowly understand the implementation of Dagger car component in later videos, and this is how to create a car object in a different way. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my videos and channel. Please follow up for other videos of Dagger tutorial. Thank you for watching.